how to download Google Docs on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Google Docs app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the source icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Google Docs and search for it. Select the first search result for Google Docs. Tap on the install button. The Google Docs app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the Google Docs app on a mobile device. Simply tap the open button, then you will be automatically logged into your account. Now, you will be all set to create digital documents or edit existing documents using Google Docs. And there you have it, you have successfully downloaded Google Docs on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.